Good evening, everybody. We are being spiritually guided and protected from harm from the universe, from our angels. A sincere wish is going to be granted, and we must trust our own intuition. Your magical abilities are growing, and you need to use them wisely. Life is a mystery, and you can get ready for a happy surprise. Something very good is about to happen. Doors are going to open up for you to a brighter, beautiful future. You're going to have reason to celebrate. In our marriages, we are feeling as if we're lacking something in our lives, perhaps love, money, or goals. Everybody's different. We do have to take valid criticism, but we must protect ourselves from slander and negative energies that are been coming our way. We need to forgive the past. That is the only way we can move forward or release the negative regrets that we have inside us. We must take a leap of faith. And the Spirit says the answer that you're looking for is love. You need to find your own peace, your own love, and trust your higher power, and they want you to be at peace. That's your high priestess. That's your true higher power. Something is coming your way very fast, and it's going to be the light at the end of the tunnel for you. You've been patient for a long time, and your loved ones say breaking down a problem into tiny pieces makes it easy to take the first step in the right direction. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Night, night. Love you all.